Alright, so today I just got done pulling the front seat out, which probably needs, it's got some issues, but I'll do that later on. I've thrown enough money at this thing right now, but finally out of the garage and running sweet, and got the motor all square. You can see the very vacuous inside cabin with nothing in it, and floor pans are looking good. That's probably the worst spot right there. A little bit of surface rust, which is getting ready to come out. Also, I've got some sound deadening panels that are going to go down, you know, some kind of goo back black shit. And then also some kind of what was similar to what was in here, but this very loose kind of fabric that's very thick, and that would be more for like heat absorbing. And I'm sure it's for sound deadening too. So I'm doubling up. I'm gonna have both of those, you know, the thin panels down first, so stick to the floor after I finish cleaning this up some, and then the heat absorbent panels. No more to come. So there's some surface rust there. I just covered up with some cold galvan and some truck bedding paint. Rest of the floor pan is very good shape. Getting ready to put this some kind of sound heat transfer pad there on the floor, and this is what it looks like. These are the holes for the seat screws. So those seats fit on pieces of angle that go across the body sheet metal. So I can't really re-drill the hole. I'll have to see if I can drill holes on the seats track to make it go back further for my long ass legs. Guess I'm gonna have to get used to one day at a time. Guess I'm gonna turn the lights off one day at a time. One day at a time. Life is all about the passing of time. You cannot waste it all. Waiting in line. Life is all about the friends we made, and we have to let go of past mistakes. One day at a time. It's a little dirty in here because I've been working, but got the carpet completely finished. It's all cut in, which was a bitch, but it's done. And now I'm on to putting the seats in. I got the top of the back seat in. I'm getting ready to put belts in. And I think that's it for today. I'm probably just going to do the back seat. One day at a time.